Imagine waking up in the morning and discovering that your cryptocurrency has quietly earned money for you overnight, without trading, without constant monitoring, and without guessing market movements. For years, many people believed the only way to profit from crypto was by buying low and selling high. But a new opportunity has emerged that allows investors to earn passive income simply by holding their digital assets. This opportunity is called cryptocurrency lending, and it is quickly becoming one of the most intriguing ways to make your crypto work for you. Cryptocurrency lending works in a surprisingly simple way. Instead of letting your digital assets sit idle in a wallet, you lend them to borrowers through specialized platforms and earn interest in return. These borrowers might be traders who want liquidity, investors who want leverage, or institutions that need crypto for various financial activities. In exchange for using your crypto, they pay interest, and that interest becomes your income. It functions much like a traditional bank savings account, except the potential returns can often be significantly higher. The concept of lending money for interest has existed for thousands of years. What makes crypto lending revolutionary is that it operates on blockchain technology and decentralized financial systems. In many cases, there are no banks involved. Instead, smart contracts, self-executing programs on the blockchain, automatically manage lending agreements, collateral, and repayments. This automation removes many middlemen and makes the system faster, more transparent, and accessible to anyone with internet access. To begin earning from crypto lending, the first step is owning cryptocurrency that can be lent. Popular coins used for lending include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stablecoins such as USDT or USDC. Stablecoins are particularly attractive because they are pegged to traditional currencies like the US dollar, which means their value remains relatively stable compared to highly volatile cryptocurrencies. Many lenders prefer stablecoins because they allow them to earn interest without worrying about dramatic price fluctuations. Once you have crypto assets, the next step is choosing a lending platform. There are two major types of platforms: centralized finance platforms, often called SuFi, and decentralized finance platforms known as DeFi. Centralized platforms operate somewhat like traditional financial companies. They manage lending pools, verify borrowers, and distribute interest payments to lenders. Decentralized platforms, on the other hand, rely entirely on blockchain protocols and smart contracts to facilitate lending without any central authority. When you deposit your crypto into a lending platform, it becomes part of a lending pool. Borrowers can take loans from this pool by providing collateral, usually more cryptocurrency than the value of the loan itself. This over-collateralization protects lenders because if the borrower fails to repay the loan, the platform can automatically liquidate the collateral to cover the debt. This mechanism is one of the reasons crypto lending can function without traditional credit checks or identity verification. The interest rates earned through crypto lending vary depending on several factors, including market demand, the type of cryptocurrency, and the platform you use. Stablecoins often offer attractive interest rates because they are widely used in trading and decentralized finance activities. Some platforms allow lenders to earn flexible interest, meaning funds can be withdrawn anytime, while others offer fixed-term lending where funds are locked for a specific period in exchange for higher returns. However, like any financial opportunity, crypto lending comes with risks. The most obvious risk is platform security. If a platform is hacked or poorly managed, lenders could potentially lose their funds. That is why it is essential to research platforms carefully, examine their security measures, and understand their track record before depositing any cryptocurrency. Another risk involves market volatility. If the value of collateral drops too quickly during a market crash, liquidation events may occur, affecting borrowers and potentially disrupting lending pools. Regulatory uncertainty is another factor to consider. Governments around the world are still developing rules for cryptocurrency and decentralized finance. While some countries are embracing these technologies, others are imposing restrictions. Investors should stay informed about regulations in their region and use platforms that comply with relevant financial laws whenever possible. Despite these risks, Crypto lending continues to grow rapidly because it unlocks the earning potential of digital assets. Instead of simply holding cryptocurrency and hoping its price increases, investors can generate steady income while maintaining ownership of their assets. For long-term holders, this approach transforms cryptocurrency from a speculative investment into a productive financial asset. Another interesting aspect of crypto lending is its role in the broader decentralized finance ecosystem. Lending platforms interact with other financial tools such as liquidity pools, yield farming protocols, and decentralized exchanges. This interconnected system creates opportunities for investors to build diversified income strategies using their crypto holdings. For beginners, the best approach is to start small and learn the mechanics of lending gradually. Choose reputable platforms, diversify across different assets, and always maintain a portion of your holdings in a secure personal wallet. Over time, as you become comfortable with the process, you can explore more advanced strategies and platforms that offer higher yields. Cryptocurrency lending represents a shift in how people think about money and investment. Instead of relying solely on banks or traditional financial institutions, individuals now have the power to participate directly in global financial markets through blockchain technology. The barriers to entry are low, the opportunities are expanding, and the potential for passive income is attracting millions of new participants. If you already hold cryptocurrency, letting it sit idle might mean missing out on one of the most promising financial innovations of our time. By learning how crypto lending works and using trusted platforms, you can transform your digital assets into a source of continuous earnings. The future of finance is becoming increasingly decentralized, and those who understand these systems early may gain a powerful advantage. Now is the perfect time to explore this opportunity. Study the platforms, understand the risks, start small, and watch how your crypto begins working for you. The question is no longer whether cryptocurrency can make money, but whether you are ready to let your crypto start earning it.